For today, ang gagawin natin is we are on the day 4 and ang title is Atomic Red Team. Ayun, continue na tayo. Basahin muna natin to. Learning objectives natin, learn how to identify malicious techniques using the MITRE ATT&CK framework. Learn about how to use Atomic Red Team test to conduct attack simulations and understand how to create alerting and detection rules from the attack test. So, connect tayo sa machine today. Ang gagamitin natin, do you need, so yan, virtual machine, gagamit tayo. Gamit tayo ng split screen. Hindi tayo gagamit ng attack box today. And mabibigyan tayo ng credentials to access the VM. Kaya mangyayari dito, mag-start machine tayo. Tapos, kailangan mabilisan lang kasi free lang yung access natin sa TryHackMe. So yan, basahin nyo na muna yan. Ito, kakopy ko na to. Kasi lang, kailangan mabilisan kasi free lang yung access natin. So, ayan, basahin nyo na lang muna yan. Didiretso na tayo dito. Didiretso na ako dito sa exam. So, nabasa ko na man na sila previously. And ayun, tamang command lang, PowerShell ang gagamitin natin. And sinabi rin naman dito yung mga command na gagamitin natin. For example, ito, atomic parameter, atomic technique. Explanation, this defines what technique you want to emulate. You can use the complete technique. And then yung example usage niya. So, invoke atomic test. Ito yung pangalan ng PowerShell script. Ito nandito na. So, automatic naka-install na to, no? Pero kung gusto mo siyang i-install sa laptop mo, punta ka lang dito sa Google. Yan. Tapos sundan mo lang yung instructions dito sa loob. Kukunin mo sa PC mo, may instruction naman dito. Punta ka lang dito, yan, installation sa gilid. So, ito yung magiging command mo. Sabi dito, the invoke atomic red team execution is available for install from the PowerShell gallery and can be installed with one simple command executed from the PowerShell prompt. So, yan, kakopy mo lang yan. Tapos, yan, sundan mo lang yung instruction dito para ma-install mo siya. Ayoko naman siya install sa sarili kong PC. So, ang tanong, ls tayo dito. So, check natin yung hint. Get help, invoke atomic test. Ayan, so andito naman siya. Ito yung syntax niya. Help above, okay. Invoke. Ayun na naman, invoke atomic test T1566 001 and then show details. Okay, ito na yung details niya. Technique. So, description, this atomic test downloads a macro-enabled document from the Atomic Red Team GitHub repos, simulating an end user clicking a phishing link to download the file. The file, phishing attachment .xlsm and phishing attachment .text are downloaded to temp directory. Okay, so yun yata yung sagot sa first question. Was the flag found in the text file that is found in the same directory as the phishing attachment? Okay. So, pupuntahan natin tong phishing attachment.txt. Okay. Mag-open tayo ng punta tayo sa temp directory. So, wala pa siya dito. I-use, kailangan pala natin siyang trigger. Paano natin siya iti-trigger? So, invoke. Okay. So, i-invoke na natin siya. Path to atomics folder C tools, atomic red team, atomics, T156 56001. Try natin itong gamitin. Use basic parsing. Okay. Let's continue to run the first TI56. Ito. Try natin kung pwede siya i-paste. Ano ba itong word? Word. Okay, so wala siyang Microsoft Word. I know, Microsoft Word must be installed. Now that you're verified, you should get the following output. Okay, so invoke atomic test and then test numbers. Atomic test T1566.001 dash test numbers. Okay, test numbers 1. Ayan, executing. Okay, download, then executing the test. To make it easier for us to pick up the events created, we will start with the cleaning up files from the previous test. First, the process was created. Baka nandito na. Check na natin. Ayun, nandito na yung file. So, ito yung flag sa una. Copy. Save kaya natin to. Okay. What attack technique ID would be our point of interest? Command and scripting interpreter. Okay. Command. Yung parang nakita ko na. T1059. Diba? T1059. Okay. What attack subtechnique focuses on the Windows command shell? Okay, so subtechnique Windows. Ito. 0.003. Okay. Ano yan dito? What is the name of the atomic test simulated? I mean, tawag dun sa ginawa natin. Details yung kailangan natin. Show details. Spear phishing. And spear phishing. Ano bang name? Anong hint dito? Replace the subtechnique placeholder in the command. Look for atomic test names in regards to malware. Show details with the one found in question 3. Okay, so show details tayo ng 59. 1059.003. And then yung name. Writes text to a file and displays it. Natin kung ito. Paste. Replace the subtechnic placeholder in the command with the one on question 3. Ito naman yung question 3. Name. Answer format. Baka yung ano. Check ulit natin yung name. Baka ito. Invoke atomic test. Malware 1, 2, 3. Okay. So string find ito. Try natin to. So marami pala siyang name. Ayan. Ang tinignan ko lang yung una. Ito name to. Atomic test name. Tapos dito sa taas, name rin to sa taas. Atomic test name. Meron pa dito ang isang name ulit sa taas. So ayun, marami pala siyang name. Marami siyang gagawin. Okay, what is the name of the file used in the test? So, assume natin na yung malware yon. Ito. What is the name of the file? WordPad. It's the name. Baka ito. Silently continue. Paste. What is the name of the file used in the test? Dito naman, taga lang ano ba? Execute batch script. Ito. Name of the file. Ito ba? Paste. What is the name of the file used in the test? Naman daw ito, no? T1059003 dash underscore script dot pat. Okay. Hindi naman daw yun. Ulit natin itong temp. The text. Excuse me. Ayun, where will the ransomware.txt. Ito kaya, try natin. Ayun. commands PowerShell command -c 41 out null. Okay. What is the flag found? What is the flag found from this atomic test? Hint: save the PDF and read its content. Okay, paano natin isa-save yung PDF? This is the malicious payload downloaded on our system. We can include it in the Sigma rule as well. Save. Asan na yan? Check prereqs, clean up. Wala namang save dito. Baka ito. Baka kailangan natin i-open yung XLSM. Save the PDF and read its contents. Save the PDF. Paano natin isa-save yung PDF? Security posture SOCMAS is here. I will run as many tests and ensure we are all safe and uncover all threats before they hit us. So meron ako nakita ditong flag, pero not text file. Pero ang instruction, now that we have verified, let's continue with this emulation. Execute the following command. Start emulation. Save the PDF. Try rin natin. Tapos naman na yung machine, and meron pa tayong 36 minutes. So ang gagawin natin, try natin na i-simulate itong T59 003 T1059.003, and then yung test number niya is ano nga yan? Yung merong ba yun? Atomic test number 4. Ayan. So, test number 4 tayo. Test number 4. Save natin. Ito yung PDF na sinasabi. Flag.txt. Flag. Ayan. Tapos punta natin yung desktop. Okay, saan na yung PDF dito? Desktop. Ayun, naka-hide siya. Naka-hide ba siya? Anyway, open na natin. And ayun, nakita na natin yung flag. Ayan. Glitches. Ayan, ito rin yung nakita natin sa notepad kanina. We are all safe and uncover all threats before they hit us. So ayun, na-update na natin yung flags. Thank you for watching. And ayun, I hope may natutunan kayo. Sa mga gustong mag-red team, kung sa mga gustong mag-blue team, pwede nyo pang puntahan tong next na room kung nag-enjoy kayo sa analysis and ganyan. Ayun. So, yun lang for today, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Get up, get up, get up! Agent Norris, come up, come up, come up! Agent Norris, you better get up, yo!